Hello and welcome teachers to the Next Learning Platform tutorials. The objective of today's module is to learn how to track the homework submission status of students in the NLP. Homework and assignments are one of the best ways to monitor students' progress. Students can put their understanding to test while teachers can evaluate the effectiveness of their lessons. But assigning homework for each student and tracking and evaluating each and every student's academic performance is a strenuous and time consuming process. Then, what should be your approach to effectively manage homework submission and tracking? How can you make the entire process simpler, faster, and effective? How will you ensure that no student is overlooked while tracking and evaluating homework? With Next Learning Platform, homework management becomes simpler, faster, and effective. This tool makes assignment tracking a breeze. Let us see the various components that can be used to track the homework submission status of your students. After you log into the Next Learning Platform, click LMS under Quick Links from the Teacher Workspace dashboard. Click My Courses and select the concerned class and subject for which you want to track the homework. You will be directed to the summary page. Click Homework from the yellow strip at the top of the page. You will be directed to a page where you will be able to see the homework that is overdue, due today, due later, and all of them together in the different tabs. Here, you can see the name of the homework and the chapter and session in which the homework has been assigned. There are various resource icons that can be seen at the bottom indicating the number of videos, audios, web references, documents, published assessments, wiki, and exercises. The number of resources published in that homework is also indicated here. The number of elapsed days since the due date as well as the number of students who have submitted the homework can also be seen at the bottom. Click the student icon at the bottom right corner of any homework card to view the submission report in detail. You will be directed to a page with the names of the students for whom this homework was assigned. Other details can also be seen, such as the name of the homework, submission date, total number of submissions, and number of on-time submissions, late submissions, and pending submissions. On clicking the drop-down arrow next to the details at the top right corner of the page, you will be able to see more information such as chapter, session, and objectives. To see the report of a submission, select the name of a student. A green tick mark against the student name indicates that they have submitted their homework on time. In the homework tracker page, there are 4 tabs: Resources, Evaluation, Submission, and Feedback. If you click Resources, you will be able to see the resources that have been assigned along with the homework. This tab provides teachers relevant information such as whether the resources have been consumed by the student or whether it is yet to be consumed. If any resource has been accessed by the students and completed or viewed, then it will be marked as viewed, otherwise it will be marked pending. In the Evaluation tab, all the published assessments are listed. The assessments are tagged pending if it has not been submitted or attempted. If an assessment has been submitted by the student, an option called View Report will be visible. If an assessment has been submitted or attempted, then you will be able to see the percentage score by the student under each assessment. To view the report, click View Report. You will be directed to the Student Reports page where you can view the detailed report for a particular homework. You can go back to the homework tracker, which has 2 more tabs: Submissions and Feedback. Submissions has the list of files which have been uploaded by the students. You can click on a file to view it then and there. Now, if you want to give feedback to the student, click Feedback and then click Add Feedback. Add your comments in the box in the feedback page. You can use the formatting toolbar at the top of the box and also insert images if you wish to. Now, click Save. In this video, we have learned the process of tracking the homework submission status of the students. Next Learning Platform streamlines the homework management process. Teachers can keep a track of homework based on the submission date and can also view, manage, and track the type of homework assigned to each student. If done manually, managing all these tasks would be nearly impossible. Next Learning Platform helps you achieve all your teaching goals and carry out various operations with a few clicks.